In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. First, open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. In the top right, look for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to reveal your available Google services, then choose Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access the files and folders you want to work with. Once Drive opens, locate the file you want to place into multiple folders. Click once to select it. A quick note before we continue. The method you're about to use creates separate copies of the file in each folder. That means each copy is independent. If you edit one, the others will not update automatically. This is perfect when you want distinct versions. If you'd rather keep a single file that appears in several places, consider using a shortcut instead, found in the right-click menu. For now, we'll proceed with copies. With your file selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. On a Mac, use Command and C. You won't see a big visual change yet, but Drive has stored the copy command and is ready to paste. Next, open the first folder where you want this file to live. Double-click the folder to enter it, then press Ctrl and V, Command and V on a Mac to paste. Drive will create a copy inside this folder. Give it a moment to appear. Depending on your connection and file size, it may take a few seconds. If you plan to maintain different versions, this is a great time to rename the copy so it's clear what it's for, like adding marketing or a date to the file name. Now that the first copy is saved, navigate to another folder where you'd like the same file. Open that folder as well. And again, press Ctrl and V to paste. You'll get another copy here. Repeat this as needed for any additional folders. Each paste creates a separate instance, so you can organize your work by team, project, or time frame without moving the original around. To verify everything worked, open each folder briefly and confirm the file appears. If you don't see it, refresh the page or check that you pasted inside the folder rather than at a higher level. That's all there is to it. You've copied a single file into multiple Google Drive folders quickly and cleanly with clear control over each version.